Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today I'm doing a big Walmart haul. I have fashion, I have beauty favorites, I have some home decor products that I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to try and not talk for too long because we got a lot to roll through. But this stuff is all really good, really affordable, and all going to be linked below for you guys. I will do a kind of try on of the fashion stuff, and then I'll kind of show you guys how I style some of the home decor pieces as well. But everything, like I've said, is going to be linked in the description bar below for you guys to shop. You can check it out down there. Even every bit of my makeup today, I believe, is even Walmart. So very affordable. Make sure to check that out. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button. But I am fighting a storm that literally came out of absolutely nowhere. So I gotta get started. Like literally, it's been beautiful and sunny all day and I set everything up and all of a sudden this guy just falls out. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to have a try on portion for the fashion. So I'll actually start there, but I will also hold the piece up for you guys because I know you guys like that. However, the first piece I can't hold because I am actually wearing. So this green top is so pretty. This scoop line at Walmart is one of my favorites at the moment. That one and Free Assembly, and I'm actually wearing Free Assembly jeans at the moment. But I find that those are just the most on-trend pieces that are also still really affordable. This top comes in so many colors. I actually have the white dress version of this as well. Fits true to size. I'm wearing a small. And again, it comes in so many colors and just looks so high-end, and it is really soft too. The only thing to know is that the top here is slightly see-through, so you definitely need to wear a nude bra. I am actually wearing a kind of white, almost pink bra, and I did want to just show you guys that because sometimes I know people can get pieces in and not be sure about what you need to wear underneath them. You will be totally fine if you wear a nude bra under this. But the top fits true to size, really affordable, lots of colors. You can't go wrong with it. Another top from the Scoop line is this pink blouse. It has slight puffy details at the top and the bottom. The bottom's more of a balloon sleeve. But this blouse to me just looks so structured, so high-end. It is again from the Scoop line, and I did buy this one in a medium just because I wasn't sure about how the top was gonna fit. This would actually be great, maybe not in the hot pink, depends on where you work, but this would actually be a great top to wear for work. It is affordable. I like the length to it as well. I love that it is not cropped, but again, this top just looks so high-end, so gorgeous, and it's at a really good price. The Scoop line at Walmart also has some of the most affordable graphic tees that I've seen that are so cute. This sleeveless tank was a must-have for me when I saw it. It's a really pretty gray color, and it does have a really bright logo on it, so it's got that cool trendy vibe to it. Would look great with shorts for summer, for spring. It also has slight rip detail around the neckline, which I really love. I did size up to a medium in this one because I wanted it to be slightly more oversized. I think with Scoop, I probably could have stuck with a small, but I mean, everyone just prefers for their clothes to fit a different way, and I prefer for my t-shirts specifically to always be a little bit on the baggier side. That's just how I like for them to wear, so that is why I grabbed this in a medium. One dress for you guys, and it is so gorgeous. So my husband actually bought a bunch of Free Assembly stuff recently. I'm a huge fan of the line as well. It's sustainable, it's affordable, and they have so many good staple pieces. If you want a good staple blouse, staple dress, things that you're going to be able to style a bunch of different ways, I definitely recommend checking out the Free Assembly line. So I actually was looking for my husband's clothes, and while we were online, I was like, well, let's just peek at what the women have, and I bought this dress, and this might be one of the nicest dresses I have ever owned. That is such an affordable price and fits so well. I actually bought this in a small, so my true size. It's not too boxy on me, it's not too tight around my chest, it's the perfect length. This dress, I cannot say enough good things about it. This dress is so stunning. It's really comfy, and it is not at all see-through. Why must the rain and thunder do this to me? It's been so pretty today. It's it knows. It just knows. Okay, so for the bottoms, I have two pairs of jeans. So the jeans are from Free Assembly. I'm actually wearing, I don't know if you guys can see the pair right now, but they are my favorite jeans of all time. I actually can't believe I'm even saying this, but I'm kind of starting to like looser jeans a little bit more than skinny jeans. I don't know why, but when these came in, I really wanted to try them. The reason I actually got them was because they were a really affordable price. You do need to size up one in all Free Assembly denim. So I wanted to try them out. out and they came in and I put them on and I was like, okay, wait, these are actually really cute. And I find myself constantly reaching for them now. I share them on my Instagram all the time. They are so comfortable. But the biggest thing that gets me about the free assembly jeans is that I am 5'9" and I can wear the regular length. So if you are a tall girl, they make jeans that fit you, but they also have short if you are obviously not 5'9". But that's like my biggest complaint with being so tall, is a lot of brands don't have the option to have those like jeans that don't basically look like jeans that aren't super short. So I'm wearing the 8 regular and usually I wear a size 6. So just make sure you size up 1, but they are really comfortable. And like I said, like I can't believe that I'm a person who is saying I actually am liking looser jeans more than skinny jeans, but I do. And just so you know, this is actually an outfit that I styled the other day. I was wearing this outfit for like 45 minutes before I realized it was all Walmart. And so I hopped on Instagram, shared it really quick, and a bunch of you guys said that you bought the jeans from that and you also love them too. And I actually love the jeans so much that I did buy them in black. So these are the black jeans of what I'm wearing right now. They fit exactly the same. I did get an 8 in these. So size up 1. What was the biggest plus for me after owning these, I've actually had these for a couple weeks at this point, is that the black has not bled out at all. Like I find that black jeans over time do get like lighter and lighter and they almost turn into like a light gray. I've washed these, I think if I had to really guess, I'd say like 3 or 4 times in the last 2 weeks, and they have not bled once and they look so good. And just like the jeans that I'm wearing like right this second, they are really comfortable, and also they don't stretch out. So they're not going to be jeans that like you put on in the morning and they're super tight and by the end of the day you're having to like do the little dance into your pants to keep them held up. These are going to stay on all day long. Just trust me. Like don't sleep on free assembly. It is one of my all-time favorite lines at Walmart, and like I actually think my husband's even wearing another one of his free assembly shirts today. Like it's just, all of their stuff is really good. Okay, that's all I've got for fashion for you guys. So now I'm going to talk about beauty. Again, like I have lots of Walmart beauty videos here on my YouTube channel where I share like full dedicated try on, like all new products. I also have blog posts about it. So this stuff is like favorites, like all-time best Walmart stuff that you can get as far as like beauty products go. And the first is no freaking joke. So I actually had a really small bottle of this and it lasted me for so long. This is the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. It is 99.99% bacteria free and it's actually at a really good price point on Walmart. This is my all-time favorite brush cleaner. I actually am going to use this for the first time today to, in the big bottle, to clean up my makeup brushes and get them ready for my brother's wedding this weekend. I like that this cleanser, so you can actually dump a little bit of this. So it says pour into cleansing tin to cover 1/4 of the way of the bristles. So what you can actually do is you can dip the brushes in there. It's going to pull the product out of it and then you're not gonna have to like scrub the brushes on some mat and really end up damaging your brushes. And also your brushes are gonna dry really quick. Like that was one thing it says on here. It says quick drying rinse-free formula. You guys, I'm not kidding. Like it literally is the quickest thing. It is so quick to clean your brushes with. So definitely check this out. Again, this is my first like big bottle. I had a small bottle of it before, but you gotta clean your makeup brushes and this is my favorite of all time cleaner for that. Okay, so this is the foundation I'm actually wearing today, and it was, I've shared this before, actually my mother-in-law, this is like one of her favorite foundations and she wore this at Disney. I want to say it was maybe like a month or 2 ago when they went on spring break, and she was like telling me at a soccer game, she was like, it was CoverGirl Outlast because it had sunscreen in it, and she was like, it lasted under my mask, it lasted under a hat, it lasted in the heat, and I love it. And I was like, I know exactly what foundation you are talking about. So it's affordable, it is full coverage, and I do like that it does have SPF built into it. I think that is a very important thing when it comes to makeup. You gotta put the SPF on, protect your skin from the sun. I'm wearing the color 805 Ivory because at the current moment I am not tan. So this is great for the months or times when I'm just not tan. And this stuff lasts all day long. This Neutrogena Radiant Setting Spray is actually the setting spray that I'm taking with me this weekend in my brother's wedding. I'm a bridesmaid, I'm doing my own makeup, and this is the setting spray that I'm using on myself and my mother. I've had this bottle for a hot minute and I am like, just now I can kind of feel like just over past halfway, but this actually makes your skin, it's called the Radiant Setting Spray, actually makes your skin have this like gorgeous glow to it, but it doesn't make it look oily. And I have really oily skin, so that was a big plus for me. Plus it has peptides in it, and it sets your makeup all day long. I have talked about this nonstop on my blog, on my Instagram. Like, it is the best setting spray you could probably buy from Walmart, like without a doubt. Actually, no, I'm for sure. This is the best one. The e.l.f. mini bite-size eyeshadows. This is the color Truffles. This makes the most gorgeous eye look. I actually used it on my eyes today. I used this and this in my crease. I used this to create my eyeliner look because I actually don't wear eyeliner. And then just to add a little bit of shimmer, I used this color. These little bite-size eyeshadows are a really great price point, but they also make very gorgeous looks, and they're very buildable. So if I wanted to do something that was a lot lighter, I could honestly use this color and it would still look gorgeous, or I could use just these two and build it out to be like a much darker smoky eye if I wanted. These are pigmented, they do not fall out, and you can get so many colors from Walmart. Okay, the last section is the home section. So I have something I can't share with you guys, like I can't hold it up because it is my king size duvet cover. I get asked a lot how I am able to keep our duvet cover looking so white, and well, a couple things. One, we actually bleach our sheets every single weekend, and we also use like a whitening booster, but we actually do replace our duvet cover about every 6 months to a year, just depending on, you know, when we think it needs it. And we have been replacing it lately with this duvet cover. So this is my, I believe, the second time I've purchased this duvet cover, just because we have a lot of animals, and over time, like, bleach just doesn't cut it. But the reason I'm able to replace our duvet so often is because this is actually a very affordable price. It's really soft. I love that this one has a zipper. I cannot for the life of me figure out why there are still duvets out there that have freaking buttons. So this one has a zipper. It also is just really cozy, easy to put on, easy to take off, throw in the wash, bleach. They're affordable. Like, if you have a lot of animals, I highly recommend this duvet cover. Get it in white, you can bleach it. It actually lasts for a really, really long time. One of my goals for 2021 was to have more florals in the house, and so I wasn't like stuck to just having fresh or faux. So I kind of have a mix of both. And the other day I saw this online and I bought it, and it is so pretty. It is this faux floral bouquet, and I actually will put the picture up right here of how I have it styled. That basket is from Walmart as well. I'm going to share it in 1 second, but I just wanted some really pretty white flowers that could sit on my coffee table that my cat could not eat because they are not real, but that looked very real. And so this totally hit the mark for me. Very pretty, looks great in the home. Flowers just bring so much joy, whether they're fresh or faux. Honestly, they do. This set of baskets, so this is actually the smaller of the two, and you can see I'm like really struggling to put it on camera. So I will post a picture of the two sizes, but I got these in, and the reason I wanted them was because I wanted a place for one to put throw blankets. We have like various throw blankets throughout our house, and I wanted a place where I could just roll up the throw blankets, put them in here. They would have a central location, but it would also look like a decor piece. And this hit every single checkbox that I had, but the other one is actually amazing. So I have a bunch of stuff that I keep for like shipping my giveaway goodies and stuff like that for you guys, for my monthly giveaways on Instagram. Like, I have a bunch of stuff that involves like shipping, and so I actually keep that in my office, and it is such a pretty decor piece. Again, it looks just like this, but it's a little bit bigger, and it just keeps all of that shipping stuff together. I keep the giveaway goodies in there until it's time to send them out. So it's a way to take something that would like look very unfortunate or take up a very like large amount of space, put it in something that looks a little bit more appealing. So this looks really, really great in the home, and you could definitely style them like together or separate like we have them, but they're really good quality and they're humongous. Like, they hold a ton of stuff. This seagrass basket is what I shared a second ago with the coffee table decor. I love like trays and stuff like this throughout my house because I feel like anytime, I mean, maybe this is just the fact that I went to design school, but anytime you put something on a tray, you're in a way making it look more like an area. So we, for instance, have a tray by like our coffee pot, and it has all of our like sugar and coffee pods and coffee grounds and all of that stuff in it together. That way it's not just like stuff sitting on our counter. It like looks like its own little area. And so I wanted something that like held all of the little decor pieces on our coffee table, but like still didn't take up enough room that we couldn't actually use the coffee table. So this hit the mark. It is so gorgeous, very, very high quality. Even Sam was like, wait a minute, that came from Walmart? And I was like, yeah, no, it did. It's fabulous, I know. And the size of it is amazing. Like, do you see this? I'm like struggling to put it on camera. It's so big. So this is actually my favorite decor piece from Walmart. Like, I'd have to say this for sure. And then if you have made it this far, you are actually seeing the best. I did save the best for last. This bad boy is so heavy. This is a Dutch oven. Drew Barrymore came out with a line, I believe it's called like Beautiful by Drew Barrymore at Walmart. She has appliances, lots of like home cookware, and one of the things that I immediately started lusting after was the Dutch oven, because I have all of the other appliances, but I don't have a Dutch oven. And I recently got a cookbook that has so many good recipes specifically for a Dutch oven. So I bought this. It is a fraction of the price of some of the other ones out there, but it looks so nice. I love the gold handle on it, and it's freaking humongous. I mean, it's also like really heavy. I'm kind of struggling to do this, but you can see on the inside here, like this is just huge. I believe it is an 8-quart. So very reasonable price for this. I have used it twice so far, and both times I have been very, very happy with it. But I do recommend checking out the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore line, because even like the air fryers, the coffee pots, the toasters, like they are all so pretty. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. I know I talked a lot, but I had a lot that I wanted to share. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I will link some of my recent Walmart videos below for you guys to check out, whether it be beauty or fashion. I have lots of them. So make sure to check that out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're new here, and don't forget, in a world where you can be anything, you should always choose to be kind. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.